Hey guys, so welcome to a tutorial for how to disable pin clicks in OBS. So pretty much so I figured this out on my own. I didn't see any tutorials for it, so I just decided to make my own tutorial to show anybody else who's having the same problem how to fix it. Pretty much on a drawing tablet or just like a computer pin tablet, that whenever you push down with the pin on the nub, whenever you push down with the pin, then that is a click. And so if you want to use your pin to move your cursor in OSU, that's not going to work because the clicks have to be timed, and so that's why I was like, okay, so I need to change this and I need to figure out how to fix it. So I was looking for answers online, and apparently what some people do is take the nub, which is the little end of the pin, out of their pin and just hover it. But I didn't want to have to do that every time I wanted to play OSU because I also use my tablet for drawing as well. So I was determined to figure out a way. But so for my Wacom tablet, so what you're gonna do is, you should already have it downloaded, but if you don't, for your Wacom tablet, what you need to do is go to Google Chrome and go to wacom.com and log in to your Wacom account. I already have my login, but if you don't have a Wacom account, then you definitely should make one. But anyway, so now that you have this, you go to register products, and it'll ask you to sign in again, or it'll either ask you to sign in again or it'll auto sign you in. But anyway, click device drivers and search your tablet's name. You can probably find it on the box somewhere, or if it says just looking for drivers, you can try doing this download. I'll include this link in the description, so you can just go right here and click download to download these drivers, and it'll put Wacom Desktop Center on your computer. But so anyway, once you have that downloaded and you're signed in and your device is fully registered, that what you do is you go to where you have it installed right here, Wacom Desktop Center. It should put a shortcut on the desktop. But anyway, you open up Wacom Desktop Center right here, and it should say your tablet is connected and the battery power that it has. And if it doesn't, that means it's not recognizing it. So you might want to try to retry installing the drivers or restart your computer. That helps. I had to do it a little bit of a hacky way to try to get my computer to recognize it, but I got it. So anyway, now that you're ready to modify the pin settings, because your tablet is here, it's recognizing it, it's working. Now what you want to do is click pin settings, and this window will come up. See up here, I have these programs. I have Clip Studio, Paint, OSU, and Pencil 2D. But and each of them have different buttons assigned. Each of them have different actions assigned to the pin buttons. So basically, if it is auto detected, then you don't have to do this. But if OSU is not up here, and this is all that's there, what you want to do is click plus and applications, and if you have OSU open, it should be here, or you could click browse, find where you have OSU installed. It should be in app data. You can just double click here, type in %appdata%, press enter, and in the roaming, it should default to the roaming folder. So what you do is you click back to app data, click local, and then the folder OSU is right here. This is where OSU is, and you select the application and click open, but I'm just going to click cancel because I already have it. So anyway, once you have OSU up here, what you do is, it should say click, and there's not a drop down box here. What you do is you double click on it, and it will come up with this drop down box, and you come right down here, you click disabled. So that means while OSU is open, it will disable your pin registering the pushing down the nib as a click. So then once you have that, what I found to be useful, you can change it up any way you want, but what I found to be useful is changing this front short pin button to click. Just you go clicks and then click right here, just a normal click. So because in OSU, Z and X in game are to click, or whatever you use to click are your click buttons in the game, but when you're actually scrolling through your maps and things like that, then you need you don't want to have to, if you just have your tablet, you don't want to have to use your mouse unless it's in reach where you are. So if you so yeah, just change this button to click, and then for me, I have go down to navigation and have click it to scroll. I have it to where, so that means when you are on OSU and you click this button and then push the pin in take the pin in and push in a certain direction, then it will scroll up or down depending on how fast or slow you slide the pin. So that's just what I have, but you can change these buttons to anything you want. Maybe you have your tablet, and then to the right of your tablet is your mouse. So you can use both those. So if that's the case, then you don't have to do these, but you can change these to whatever you want. There's a lot of possibilities. But yeah, so you can change that for any other programs. You can add some by pressing the plus button. But yeah, so now that you've changed that it will disable the nib and change these button functions whenever you open OSU, and have OSU open. So yeah, if you found this tutorial useful, then leave a like and maybe a comment. And if you want to see more videos, gameplays, live streams, tutorials, then subscribe to my channel. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching.